Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ẹni tó ń jẹ́ Bola Ahmed Tinubu wọ́n pọ̀ ń gbórúkọ yẹn lérèfé ni torí ẹlẹ́lòmíì fi ń sọ nǹkan tí kò mọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ find time kẹfìmọ ẹni tó ń jẹ́ Tinubu Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, especially our youth, our younger ones. Don't Tinubu has been the only politician in Southwest region today that is hunting for talents. He hunts for talents, for intelligent and brilliant people, and he puts them to the position of power. He reigns obeying Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Let me take you back to the memorial lane. In 1999, people voted for Alliance for Democracy in Southwest region, which comprises of 6 states, because they believe AD is a party of Baba Awolowo and Afenifere is Awolowo slogans. Gbogbo àwọn governors ta ní nílẹ̀ Yorùbá bẹ̀rẹ̀ látọ̀rí Alhaji Lam Adesina, may so rest in peace, ní Ọ̀yọ́ state, Baba Adébáyọ̀ ní Ọ̀ṣun, and Tinubu ní Lagos state. Gbogbo governors yẹn pátápátá ni Ọbásanjọ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé kàn dìbò fáwọn ní 2003, because we didn't vote for Ọbásanjọ́ in 1999, we voted for Chief Olufemi Falana. Those Hausa stand sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló gbé Ọbásanjọ́ wọlé ní 1999. But Ọbásanjọ́ fẹ́ dìbò padà ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì second term in 2003. He called all the Southwest governors, including Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He called them to Abuja and he told them that they should give him his support, that he's going to reciprocate, because time here, presidential election, all of them supported Obasanjo, and Tinubu won them, excluding Tinubu. Tinubu stayed neutral. Gbogbo àwọn tó support Obasanjo ń gbà yẹn, gbogbo àwọn governors yẹn, gbogbo àwọn ló lose seat wọn. It was only Tinubu that remained the last man standing. It was only him that remained the last man standing. As the governor. Governor in war 2007. And he told them, Oka kiri gbogbo state ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yẹn, Oka kiri ní tí mo lè sọ fún yín, ó dẹ̀ sọ pé kó fọkàn balẹ̀. Ipe kó yẹn ó máa fi gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yẹn padà. He stood by them. Then but the governors then lose the election water. Also on kálukú wọn the leader in the states. There's sin kan tó fẹ́ tí ó kì bá wọn fẹ́. Kò sí nǹkan tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá fẹ́ tí Tinubu kì fẹ́ nìkan tó bá máa ṣe Yorùbá láǹfààní. Àmọ́ tó mọdé ó bá bọ́ tán, ó di dandan kó bá àròbá. Àròbá dẹ̀kẹ̀dẹ̀ bá bá tán ni. That's why I'm taking you guys back to the memory lane. And please confirm my stories. Mi sọ fact fún yín ni nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ ní mi ò kánú ìwé, kò ṣe pé nǹkan pé mi jókòó ló ń sọ̀tọ̀ fún mi, nǹkan tó ṣojú mi tí mo mọ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. It was only Tinubu. It has always been him. We always lean on him nílẹ̀ Yorùbá anytime tá bá ní nǹkan kan lókè at the federal or national level. In 2007, under party mi sílẹ̀, which is AC, Action Congress. Later on, under ACN sílẹ̀. And something happened that I witnessed. The kind of leader Tinubu is. He has all the criteria, all the qualities of a good leader. In 2007 in Oyo State, Ajimobi contested for governorship. Senator Abiola Ajimobi, may so rest in peace. He contested for governorship. We were under Senator Ajimobi then, under the platform of ANPP. We moved to ANPP within the shortest time, 3 months to the election, to contest for governorship in ANPP, while under Senator Ajimobi there. We had 11 state honorables and 4 federal reps. I want to buy Mama Jami. Under ANPP, Senator Abiola Ajimobi showed the strength. We pay only poor crowd. That's why Tinubu supported him in 2011. But I was in 2007. In 2011, I want to die ACS. Alobalaji Lam. Nile oni felele. Ni abetents. With Tinubu ko along by everybody. Alobalaji Lam. That be one. We can't call it one state. Mo so reyan ti Tinubu teyin o mo yen. Reyan to je mo so for you. And Tinubu said something. Only Èkó yẹn a máa fi gbálẹ̀ Yorùbá padà, Yorùbá máa wà ní ṣọ̀kan padà, a máa wà lẹ́gbẹ́ Afẹ́nifẹ́re padà, àwọn dẹ̀ tún fi máa gba national yẹn padà. That's why the ticket was given to Senator Ajimobi in 2011, and Ajimobi won the election. Ẹ wo gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ẹ ká gbogbo governors yẹn, Tinubu fought, he stood with them. Ṣé mo ye years to take Governor Fayemi láti kọ́kọ́ gba first mandate wọn? Ẹ mo year to take wọn ní court? It was over 3 years láti gba mandate wọn. Ṣé mo year to take Aregbesola láti gba mandate ẹ̀ lọ́ṣun? Tinubu tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, he stood by them. Ó dúró tí wọn, ó dúró sílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ó máa hunt fún talent ni, fún brains. Ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn tó bá Tinubu ṣèjọba ní 1999 to 2007 ní Lagos State. Most of them are in power today. Professor Yemi Osinbajo is the VP of our nation today. He was one of the Tinubu's commissioner. He was the Attorney General of Lagos State since 1999 to 2007 under Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Look at Aregbesola, Minister for Interior. He was one of the Tinubu's commissioner. And so on and so forth. Gbajabia Mila, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, number 4 in Nigeria today, he was one of Tinubu's political boys. What are we talking about? Ẹni tó ń ríyàn tó ń gbéyàn sókè kéèyàn lè débi tó dáa tẹ́ wọ́n ń bínú ẹ̀ kí ló ṣe fún yín kí lẹ́yìn bínú ẹ̀ fún náà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa pawọ́pọ̀ and look for a better Nigeria. Ẹni tó lè gbé Nigeria dé èbúté ògo. Ọlọ́run máa gbà fún wa, Ọlọ́run máa fún wa ṣe. Àjọṣepọ̀ gbogbo wa, ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ gbogbo wa ni.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.